Hi my dear friends, today is the video for Mahzooz draw prediction. The draw is drawing on 6th August 2022. Here my 16 powerful numbers from out of 49, which has very high chances to come for this draw. From 1 to 9 I have only two numbers. Number 1 is 6 and number 2 is 9. From 10 to 19 I have also two numbers, that is 15 and 16. From 20 to 29 I have four numbers. Number 1 is 21, 24, 26 and 29. From 30 to 39 I have also four numbers, 32, 33, 34 and 38. From 40 to 49 also four numbers. Number 1 is 40, 43, 45 and 48. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. Most important point for this draw, you should select your maximum numbers between 21 to 40. According to my research, 3 or 4 numbers will come between 21 to 40. You should select 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. Friends, for this draw, these two serials are most important, 3 and 4. You should select minimum 3 numbers from here, and most favorite number from this series. Number 1 is 34, number 2 is 48 and number 3 is 32. These are most favorite numbers from these serials. You can select another numbers if you like, but in my research these are the golden number for this draw. The best pattern for this draw, you should select one number from 1 to 9, one number from 20 to 29, two numbers from 30 to 39 and one number from 40 to 49. This is my powerful pattern. You should select according to this if you like. Okay friends, this is my overall prediction for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.